Let's do this, Bay. Bay!
Let's do it!
If you help me defuse this bomb, I will let you work at KFP.
Okay! Okay, green, can you press yellow, please?
Yes, and we have 26. Ah, it was wrong! Wrong! It was wrong!
Oh, what? Okay,
Maybe
can
that
you
is
press
a vowel.
green?
Green? Okay. No, wrong. That was wrong. Fuck. Ah! Okay, congratulations, Bay. You did not get the job at KFP.
But I did, thank you!
What? What?
Sorry, today is my 1 month, and I had to prank all the myth members that I could, and I may have read you the wrong instructions. Got him!
Did you not want the job at KFP?
No, because I'll get in anyway, because I'm a rat.
You little shit. You little shit.
I'm so bad.
I'm sending you to the usual room. You're welcome at the usual room. You'll see how fun it is there, you little stupid rat.
Love you too. That was fun.
Yeah,
that was fun.
Yeah. That was pretty entertaining. I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun. Hold on, let's go back to the main.
All right, I'll also go to my kitchen.
Okay.
Although I don't really want you in the kitchen anymore. Here, I'll put you in the fryer.
Hey!
You sure? There you go.
Nice in person.
Is it hot over there, my dear Bay?
Not as hot as... No, flirt
Shouldn't
is not
have
in my
pranked me.
It's okay. I'm just chilling here in some oil. We did.
Guess actually should be down here. So, we smile.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I'm glad we did a collab together, and I'm glad that I could be your first one.
Okay.
Did I treat you gently enough, though?
No, that was actually quite rough. What a rough night.
Wait. I wanna eat you. Wait, I am cat.
No!
I am a cat after all. You're sure?
No. No, I ran away. No!
Yummy, you're in my tummy now. Okay. You're from now on banned from my kitchen, and we can still be friends though, but yeah, you're just not welcome in my kitchen anymore.